So today I'm reviewing the Olaplex Bond Maintenance System, which features their number 3, 4, and 5 products. This is what my hair looks like freshly washed with a detox shampoo. It's clear that I have some dehydration from the cold weather and some tension damage in the front, which is from me dragging my curls to the back for these sleek styles. Now I know my curls deserve better, so that's why I'm here with Miss Olaplex. Moving into the sectioning and detangling portion, I'm praying this helps because I have a lot of hair and y'all seen them bottles. After I'm all detangled, I'm going to go in with the number 3 hair perfector. I'm sectioning so that the product is able to saturate the hair better. I promise, my hair is damp, but then again, my hair is thirsty and I'm working on it. As you can see, I'm just throwing the sections into 2-strand twists. I did end up using about half of the 3.3 ounce bottle. I wasn't very sure how much product I was actually supposed to use, but I did make sure to generously coat my problem area in the front. I've already accepted the fact that this may or may not work, so if I had to end up cutting it off and starting all over, I'm not opposed. This is how everything looks once I was finished. The bottle said leave on for 10 minutes, but I ended up letting it sit for about an hour. To wash, I'm using the number 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo. Honestly, throughout this entire process, I kept thinking there's going to be a dramatic result after each step, but I have to remember that this probably won't be an immediate difference right away, and that's okay. Before I start to shampoo, I make sure to rinse out product number 3 with cold water. Throughout the entire wash process, I used either cold or lukewarm water. I actually really enjoyed the way the shampoo made my hair feel. My hair just felt extra clean. I've also never seen this many bubbles during a shampoo, so maybe I've just been doing it wrong my whole life. Like, it's giving salon. The next step is my favorite step. It's the number 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner, which I should be calling I Can't Believe It's Not Butter. The bottle says leave it on for 3 minutes, so I just made sure to use the comb to properly work it in there. Y'all, the shock I had when I felt that comb glide over my curls like silk. The curls went from dry to slippery when wet. I was so sad to rinse this out, but I was ready to see the transformation. I have never washed my hair so much in a day. It is suggested to use the products 2 to 3 times per week, but this will definitely be a once a week thing for me. The end of the process is finally here. This is what the frontal damage looks like afterwards. There wasn't too much of a difference. Again, if the damage is too much, I don't mind cutting it off. In the beginning, you could definitely see that my hair was very dry and stiff. And now, even though my front portion is still under construction, you can see that my hair finally has some shrinkage, moisture, and a little a little body yaddy. Thank you all so very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for updates.